In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple process of undoing a repost on Twitter using your PC. Let's get started. First, locate the specific repost that you would like to undo on your profile timeline. Take a moment to find the post that you no longer wish to have on your profile. Once you've identified the repost, look for the Repost button. This button will be visibly highlighted on the post that you want to remove. It serves as a quick indicator that you have reposted the content. Now, it's time to take action. Click on the Repost button, and just like that, the post will be removed from your profile timeline. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently undo a repost on Twitter using your PC. Managing your reposts and keeping your profile organized has never been easier. Take control of your Twitter activity by knowing how to easily remove reposted content from your profile. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks to enhance your social media experience.